Probing is a technique used within the field of machine learning and AI, and it can be used when adapting foundation models for various tasks. One of the most common probing techniques is called linear probing, which involves attaching a small neural network to some of the nodes of a large language model and training it to complete a specific task. Let's take a look at what a so-called classification head looks like. If we take a foundation model, such as BERT, the output of the model is an encoding of the original message as a tensor, which is great for computers, but difficult for humans to comprehend. In order to be able to extract meaning from this final layer of BERT, we attach a small neural network to this layer, specifically to 768 of the nodes from the final layer of BERT. We can train this neural network to classify the inputs according to a specific task using a sizable labeled data set. In this case, we could use an IMDb data set, which contains movie reviews and sentiment labels. If we assume BERT already has this information encoded in its final layer, we can freeze the parameters of the model so they do not change, only letting the classification head change during training. Now our model has what can be referred to as a linear probe. We put in, "That movie was awesome," and we get out positive. In summary, linear probing is another way of adapting foundation models to specific tasks such as classification. Rather than creating a prompt that will coax a model into producing the output as text, we instead connect directly to the machinery of the model, taking a peek under the hood.